Speak loudly.
Brooke Long, Shred CrossFit, Event 2, WOD2.
Okay.
10. It's a 15-pound training bar with 10-pound weight on this side and a 10-pound weight on this side. Clock. Okay. Rachel, Scott gives you a countdown.
Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah. Good. Okay, so the difference here being with our back squat and our air squat, we really force that not that. The front squat, because we have weight on the front of us, and if we force that foot back and lean forward, it's going to pull us. Really have to keep it upright. Yeah. So where I'm still leading with my hips back, not as drastic. Lead and then sit right down and stay upright. You can't be like this. Okay? So really focus on lead with your hips and then sit down and chest up. One other note I want to make, squats, your stance is going to be slightly narrow. Front squat. You want to bring it in slightly, barely, maybe an inch or two.
Come on, Brooke. Okay, 6 a.m.
All right, guys, let's do it.
You gotta go home. 6 p.m. Bring it in.
Grab down.
Alright guys, 6 p.m. Thanks for coming in tonight. Anybody have any crazy, fun Thanksgiving stories? Sure. Anything fun happened over everybody's weekend? Anything that kind of stands out at all? No? Yes? Jim had one. He showed up last class. He leaders and they did not take the pictures. Good, I'm glad if you didn't travel or anything, I'm glad I made it back safe. Now it's time to get down to business before Christmas. So, today's workout, guys, CrossFit Strength Bias, week 4, back squats. Okay, week 4 on back squats. If you have any questions on rep schemes, let me know. This is week 4, as I mentioned.
Can you call the time?
So a lot of squatting for the first 20-25 minutes of today's workout, okay? I'd like to get both of these done in about 20 minutes. I'll give you no more than 25. As soon as you're done, get set for the walk. Okay, get set for the walk. The water is easy to set up for. Okay? Now, on your front squats, I'm looking for 3 sets of 3, increasing in weight every set. Okay? So, we're not finding maxes or anything like that. I want you to work up to a heavy set of 3. So, increasing. So, if I feel comfortable with a 100-pound front squat, the next set, if you're a little bit more of a beginner, maybe you go 105 or 110. Okay? If I'm more intermediate advanced on that move, I feel more comfortable and I'm in a great position, maybe I bump up 15 or 20 pounds. But I want you to look at heavy every time, every set. Just going 3
You
sets.
got 2-minute rest and then right into double unders.
With
Do
your
your double unders right here. Okay.
All right. Any specific questions? Yeah.
If you have front squat max, aim for a certain percentage.
Great question. If you do have a front squat max, if you know where
Do
you're
her
at
double
with
unders
front
right
squats,
here.
if you have an idea what your max is, I'm looking for these
So that they can do their warm-ups on the side. So let's try this just a little bit.
Where you're at, work for heavy set 3.
And then when you're filming, just be back there filming this direction. She can do her double unders right here, so the clock will be behind her.
Okay.
That makes sense?
Sounds good.
Yep.
Today's WOD is a
Okay, great job.
easiest set for the only thing you need is a pull-up station.
Most of it has
Triplet. 3 exercises, 10-minute AMRAP.
Yeah, wouldn't know it.
So you did 45 pounds.
Stride for females.
That's 35.
Okay, go on the heavier side because you
Oh
don't
yeah,
have as
10.
many reps. Okay? If you choose to use something a little bit smaller with your weights or whatever, we have 44s, we have 35s, and also have people who use 26. Wherever you feel comfortable with, you just throw those up as examples. 6 hand release push-ups. Hand release push-ups. Here's So I'm in a good plank push-up position, my hands are just outside my shoulders, I'm resist on the way down, keeping that core nice and tight like a plank. I like to extend the elbow, tap the floor, right that knee and drive. Resist, let our T right that knee and drive. I like to extend that elbow. And then bring it back to the press. So your hand release. Try to refrain from losing that midline stability and doing this.
Switch it back right up. We're going to do it right here. Right in the middle.
Not
Face this
what we're
direction.
looking for there. Okay, really focus on that midline stability. Let your chest go down first, release, and then press. Okay, do the best you can to boost yourself in there. Hammer release push-ups, and then 3 bar muscle-ups. 3 bar muscle-ups. It consists of a violent kip on that stationary bar, bowing over, and then doing a dip on the bar at the very top. Okay? I'm allowing you to use bands on the bar muscle-ups if you choose to. You know, not be prescribed, but you can use bands on the bar muscle-ups. Our substitution is going to be 6 burpee pull-ups. So you get at your pull-up station, you do your burpee, jump up, grab the bar, put your chin on the bar. You can make it one continuous momentum, or I can jump up, grab the bar, and then do my kick. Give myself a pull. I'll take either one. If you presently struggle with doing a body weight or kick and pull up, your next substitution is just do 6 burpees.
2 minutes left.
Okay? Now, when you score this, 963, your substitution is 6 burpee pull-ups, but it still counts as 2 reps. Because it's a substitution. So how many reps are in one round? 18. 6 plus 3 plus 9 is 18. So the 18 reps in one round, your score, your total reps on the board. Okay? Any questions on that? Questions? Yeah.
Minute 30 left. Minute 30
Yeah.
left.
Yeah. Burpee and then jump up and touch the bar, a couple inches above your standing reach. Yep. Definitely.
17.
Questions? You good? Okay, here's what I want you guys to do to warm up. How much time does she have?
That's the minute.
Okay, let's do it. Here's what I want you to do to warm up.
Let's go, Brooke.
Half of you on this side, half of you on the other side of the foot. So let's break it up into halvesies. Halvesies.